Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about future tense and all the tenses that we have like future indefinite, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So my name is Akif Nawaz and we'll be discussing all these tenses one by one in detail. So let's start talking about it. Simple future tense means future indefinite tense. So this tense actually is used to express actions that will occur in the future. So those things that will happen in future, so we'll have to use simple future tense. So the basic sentence structure is that we have a subject, the helping verb will be used, and base form of the verb means first form of the verb will be used. And this is the structure when we make negative sentences. So not is added right after will and before the base form of the verb, and then interrogative. So interrogatives are made, the helping verbs are used before the subject. अच्छा, now let's talk about the examples को आप देखें, she will travel to Paris. अब यहाँ पर आप देखें will is used as a helping verb whereas travel is the first form of the verb, and we already know that the tense of a sentence is totally determined by the use of helping verb and main verb. If you know both these things, definitely you can identify the tense of a sentence. Now, if we'll have to change it, so we'll only add not right after will and before travel. And if we'll have to make interrogative, so will come first right before the subject, and then it will be followed by a question mark. So simply we can say that a sentence in which the helping verb will is used with the first form of the verb, so that sentence is of simple future tense. The next one is future continuous tense. In future continuous tense, we talk about the actions that will be going on at a specific time in future. Means के वो actions जो कि एक specific point तक कंटिन्यू होंगे फ्यूचर में, सो विल हैव टू डिस्कस और टॉक अबाउट देम इन फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. अब बेसिक सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर को हम देख सकते हैं. अच्छा, द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स हेयर इज अ विल बी वे एज फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस आई एन जी. सो दिस इज द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. अगेन अगर नेगेटिव हमने बनाने हैं सो विल हैव टू पुट नॉट राइट आफ्टर विल, वे एज अगर हमने इंट्रोगेटिव करना है तो we'll have to use will before the subject. Now simply let's look at the examples. I will be studying at 8 p.m. So सबसे पहले तो आप देखें now actions that will be ongoing at a specific point. अब यहाँ पर आप देखें कि I will be studying at 8 p.m. means के the action of this studying will be going on टिल 8 PM. सो आप ऊपर देखिए सबसे पहले जो सेंटेंस आपका लिखा है कि हर वो एक्शन जो कि ऑन गोइंग होगा एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम तक, सो विल हैव टू यूज़ फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. नाउ नेगेटिव एंड इंट्रोगेटिव्स दे आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? टू डिस्क्राइब एक्शंस दैट विल बी कंप्लीटेड बिफोर अ स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट इन द फ्यूचर. फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूस में हमने क्या कहा था कि एक एक्शन जो कि ऑन गोइंग होगा एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम पीरियड तक, जबकि फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में एक ऐसा एक्शन जो कि कंप्लीट होगा एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम से पहले. यहाँ पर आप देखिए हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स को देखिए. सो द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आर, द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज विल हैव with past participle means with the third form of the verb. ठीक है. अच्छा, अब आप negatives interrogatives you know कि how can we make it. So examples को आप देखें. By next weekend they will have finished the project. They will have finished the project by next week. में हम ये इस end पे भी लेके आ सकते हैं, start में भी लग सकते हैं. So will have is the helping verb and finished is the third form of the verb, right? अब ये देखिए ये फ्यूचर में हम बात कर रहे हैं कि दिस प्रोजेक्ट विल बी कंप्लीटेड बाय नेक्स्ट वीक. सो ये प्रोजेक्ट जो है ये कंप्लीट होगा एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम फ्रेम से पहले, एक स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट से पहले. नेगेशन आपके सामने है एंड इंट्रोगेटिव अगेन is in front of you. The next one is future continuous tense. Now this tense is used to describe actions that will have been ongoing up to a specific point in the future, emphasizing the duration. Means के ongoing actions को जो कि एक specific time frame और specific point जो है उस तक वो क्या रहेंगे, ongoing continue रहेंगे, और ये ड्यूरेशन को क्या करता है, हाईलाइट करता है, एम्फसाइज करता है. अच्छा, हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स विल बी विल हैव बीन with the ing form of the verb. Okay, negation may just put not right after will, and if you'll have to make interrogative, then just write down the helping verb before the subject. Now let's look at the example. By the end of this year, I will have been working here for 5 years. So will have been is the helping verb, whereas working is the ing form of the verb. And one more important thing about perfect continuous tenses in which we use since or for. I'll make another video on the usage of since or for, so stay tuned. And if you have to make negatives, just put not and then interrogative, you know the process. So all the actions that will be performed in the future, for that very purpose we need to use future tense. So let's look at the comparison. The comparative table. So all these things are in front of you. Just have a look at it, and look, the tense of a sentence is totally determined by the use of helping verb and correct form of the verb. So that's all from my side. If still you have anything to ask, any confusion, anything that you would like to add, you can ask us questions, and do share your thoughts and ask your question in the comment section. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.